Hello, now we'll see the demonstration of depth first search. So depth first search takes input as a graph, and a graph is a nonlinear data structure which is represented by either adjacency list or adjacency matrix. And to implement this depth first search, we are going to use a stack data structure. The graph can be either directed or undirected. Now in this case, we are going to consider a directed graph. So let's start with a starting vertex. So in this case, consider 0 as the start vertex. And see, there are two other arrays. One is the parent, another one is the visited. So parent array is going to hold the parent of a particular vertex which is visited, and visited is going to consider whether the given vertex is visited or not. Initially, all nodes are not visited. Whenever you visit a node, it is going to change that false to true. Now let's see the demo. So 0 is our starting vertex. This is the 0, and basically in this it is going to use the recursion. Recursion indirectly uses the stack concept. Now see the adjacencies of 0. 0 is having adjacencies as a 2, 4. And we are going to consider 2 as the node which we are going to visit from 0. Now change that to 2 to 2. Now see the adjacency of 2. Now 2 is having adjacencies like 4, 5, 1. From these three we are going to select 1. From these three we are going to select one of the node. In this case, okay, even 0 also its adjacency. Since 0 is already visited, so we cannot. Then we are going to consider 1. Now change this 1 to true, which is visited. Now see the adjacencies of 1. 1 is having 0, 5 as the adjacencies. So if we select 0, 0 is already visited, therefore you cannot. Then the next possibility is 5. Select 5 and change this 5 as a true. Now see the adjacencies of 5. 5 is having two adjacencies, 6 and 7. Now we are going to select 1, and which is 6. Now visit 6. Now see the adjacencies of 6, which is having 5 and 7. If we select 5, 5 is already visited, therefore it is not possible. Now you select 7. So you have selected 7 and change this to visited. Now see the adjacencies of 7. 7 is having one adjacency, which is 5. So this 5 is already visited, therefore it is not possible. Now it is going to move to its parent node. So its parent is 6 now. Now see the adjacencies of 6 which are not visited. So all are visited. Therefore, go to its parent. Its parent is 5. Now see the adjacencies of 5 and see whether those adjacencies are visited or not. All are visited. Therefore, go to its parent. Now see the adjacencies of 1. 1 is having adjacencies 0 and 5. All are visited. Therefore, go to its parent. 2 is having the adjacencies 1, 0, 5, 4. And see the adjacencies which are not visited. So 4. We are going to visit 4 and make the visit as a true. Now see the adjacencies of 4. Doesn't have. Therefore, you go to its parent. Now see the adjacencies of a 2. 2 is having another adjacency which is already visited. Therefore, you go to its parent node. Now see the adjacencies of 0 which is whose vertices are adjacencies are not visited. So all are visited. So this stops the. So this is how the depth first search works.